Once upon a time there was a wee brown hen, and it was walking across a close when it spied some corn. "Oh, I could plant this corn and get some fine flour," thought the wee hen. So he picked up the grains, and then he thought, "Oh, I could maybe get some balls to help me gather the rest of the grain." So the henny gaed to the yow and spirited the yow if it would help. "Oh, no, no, no," said the yow, "I'm far ower busy," and she gaed skipping ower the park. So the wee henny kept going until she come to the pigsty, and there was a Grumpy. So she spirited the Grumpy, "Would you help me pick up this grain?" "Canna, no canna, I'm far ower busy," said the Grumpy, and he skipped round his sty. Syne she come to the byre and got up to the coo and spirited the coo, "Would you help me pick up this grain?" "Mechty me, I couldna do it, I'm far ower busy," said the coo, and skipped round the byre. Well, the henny had no option but to pick up the grain herself. Syne she planted it and waited for the sun and the rain to do its business. And when the grain come up through the grun, she watched it grow, and when it turned all golden, she thought, it's time to harvest, time to cut the corn and gather it in. So she thought she would speir her pals if they would help. So she gaed to the yow and she said, "Would you help me cut the grain?" "Oh, no, no, no," said the yow, "I'm far ower busy." And she gaed running across the park. So she gaed to the Grumpy. And the Grumpy said, "Oh, I'm far too busy." And he gaed running into his sty. And she gaed to the byre and saw the coo and spirited the coo if she would help. "Mechty me, I'm far ower busy," said the coo, and she walked to the other side of the byre. Well, there was no option but the wee henny had to cut the grain herself. Syne she thought she would take it to the miller to mak into flour. So she spirited the yow, "Would you help me take it to the miller?" Well, the yow says, "Oh, no, 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 I'm far ower busy." And when she spirited the Grumpy said, "I'm far ower busy." And when she spirited the coo said, "Mechty me, I canna do it, I'm far ower busy." So the poor hen had to ging a by herself to the miller. And when she come back with the flour a bonny made, she decided she would mak a fine bannock. Oh, well, it wasna long afore the smells of on bannock were wafting across the farm close, and in aboot come the yow. And the yow said, "Oh, can I help you to eat that bannock?" And the wee brown hen said, "No, you canna. I'm busy eating it a by myself." And when the Grumpy come and said, "Could I help you eat that bannock?" the wee brown hen said, "No, no, I'm busy eating it myself." And when the coo come in aboot and said, "Can I gie a hand to eat that bannock?" the wee brown hen said, "No, no, I'm busy enough eating it myself." And she gobbled it all up. So next time one of your pals asks you to give them a hand, you might think twice afore saying you're ower busy.